Hi, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be making peach glazed pork chops. I got this recipe off of Pinterest and it led me to the website food.com, so I will leave a link to the recipe down in the description below. So if you want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing.
I first got going on cutting and peeling my peaches. I just had fresh peaches, so I used about a pound. And I just took the skin off and kind of sliced them. You can use frozen peaches if that's what you have, but I had the fresh ones. And then I got my bone-in pork chops and seasoned with salt and pepper. Took them to my stove and put them seasoned side down and then seasoned the other side. And then I flipped them. And then I checked for temperature and I realized that I didn't have my heat up high enough. So I let that cook on the other side with the higher heat and then flipped it to get a little bit more color and then removed it to a plate while I got going on my peaches. So I dumped those suckers in and put in apple cider vinegar and brown sugar and mixed that through until the brown sugar was all nice and melted. And next I added in my garlic powder, rosemary, and Dijon mustard, mix that through with better than bouillon chicken flavored. And then after that simmered, I added in my cornstarch and salt, pepper, and olive oil until that thickened. Put my pork chop juices back in, my pork chops, and then just heated that through and it was done.
All right, guys, so I had to change my shirt because I kind of got some stuff on it. But anyway, so pork chops are done. I'm going to go ahead and give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. Ooh. This is like a really good combination of sweet and savory. I know that's kind of what goes with pork chops a lot, like pork chops and applesauce. But this is a really nice twist because I usually just have apples with pork. If you've got some peaches on hand, I definitely recommend making this. This is a 10 out of 10. It wasn't very difficult, and if you use fresh peaches, I feel like it would taste just a little bit better than frozen peaches. But yeah, that's it, guys. It's really good. It's really sweet. The pork chops are not dry, and the sauce is sweetened with the apple cider vinegar just kind of balances everything out and rounds it out really, really well. This is a really good, quick weeknight dinner. So thank you guys for spending time with me today, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more future recipe testing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.